Hey guys, I'm back now that my hair has dried completely. So it takes about 3 or 4 hours for it to dry. I live in Florida, so the sun will dry it before a diffuser and more of a natural air dry approach. So I kind of wanted to introduce the Daily Hair Dress. This is a dry hair product that is provided by Mixed Chicks, and it's phenomenal too. So when my hair is getting a little, some of the curls aren't as defined, I'll just put this on in the middle of my day. So I'm just gonna put a little amount on, nothing too crazy, and just get the certain spots that I know that weren't treated when I was originally doing my hair this morning. So I just kind of put it overall. And by the way, this product smells absolutely divine. It is smells so good. Like I said before, in the other products, they don't smell like they're just chemicals. So this one's one of my favorites as well. So it gives it sort of that avocado fruity smell to your hair. So I just kind of go through a little bit, and I kind of pick out my curls just a little bit and crunch a little bit. So just get that extra boost of style. So now that I've styled it once more, it feels a little more fuller in a more healthy way. So that's all. Once again, that is the Hairdress Dry product that you use once your hair is dried, whether that's been with a diffuser or air dry. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks guys. Bye.